Hello and welcome to Craig Tech. This is an unboxing of the Aerocool Integrator 600w 80 plus bronze PSU. Currently retailing at the time of this video for about £35 on Amazon in the UK. As you can see, the box, 12 volt rail up to 85% efficiency, 12cm silent fan, and like I say, it's 80 plus bronze rated. Side of the box, right hand side of the box, and then left hand side of the box. The rear of the box, so as you can see, specs, we've got a 20+4 pin, a 4+4 CPU, power connector, 7 SATAs, 4 Molecs, 2 PCI 6+2 video card connectors, and a floppy drive connector as well. So let's have a look inside the box. We can, there we go. So inside the box we've got power supply user manual. Probably not need to know about this. Yep, cables are sleeved, minimal packaging, got a thin layer of foam and a thin layer of bubble wrap. Also in the packet we've got screws as well for mounting. Let's get rid of the box. So nice braided sleeve cables, and we've got bubble wrap. We'll take this out. Right. So top of the unit, nothing on it. The side of the unit is, there we go. So all the power output, 80 plus bronze, 600w underneath, 12cm 120mm fan, and the rear is your standard power switch and input. Get the cables undone. So the cable is pretty good quality for this sort of price bracket. Yeah, as you can see, Molecs, 2 PCIs, 7 SATAs, and your 24-pin ATX. Seems pretty decent for the money. This will be going in one of my future videos of where I'm upgrading a Dell Optiplex 390 system into a cheap budget gaming rig. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel or leave a comment on how I could improve things. Thank you for watching.